Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I wanted to take you along with me as I decorate my cabinet with gingerbread crafts for Christmas. For the first one, I'm going to start with one of the Dollar Tree wood slice signs, and I made an SVG file. I'll try to remember to include a link to the SVG file down in the comments below, but basically it says Candy Cane Forest. I just cut it out on some red vinyl with some candy canes on there. I thought this would be a cute little rustic sign to go behind my little gingerbread scene that I'm doing for the top of my cabinet in my dining area. So just some transfer tape on there. And you know what? These wood signs look great with vinyl on them. It's a lot easier than stenciling, and it's just a matter of adding the vinyl. Candy cane forest, really cute. I like the natural wood vibe. I think that's going to look cute. I just used some double-sided tape here on the back, and I'm going to put it on the back of the top shelf of my cabinet. Now for some trees. I picked up this flocked Christmas tree at Target Dollar Spot. I think it was $5. It's a really nice size. It is really flocked and it has like a gold base, but I like the height of it. It's kind of perfect for a giant tree right here towards the back. Then I picked up some more. This is just another little flocked tree that I got at the Target Dollar Spot, I believe. And, you can also use the ones from Dollar Tree. It's just whichever ones you can find that you really like. But I really wanted some really authentic looking trees. Here is one from the Dollar Tree that's flocked, a little bit smaller, but with like a little wood base. And I thought this one was really cute too. So basically I'm building like the forest for the gingerbread men. And I love how this turned out. Another one right over there. Now we need to cover the base of the cabinet with snow. So I'm using microfiber mop heads. I'm going to use a total of 5 on these. But the thing is that I'm not doing anything to them. So I can always use these for other DIY projects in the future. And they make a great faux snow. And the good thing about them being like individual pieces like this is you can work around things. Like I can work around the base there of the tree and cover that up. And it looks like a fluffy snow. Now these smaller ones will have to sit on top. And I'm just going to keep covering them. I can overlap slightly until I get a snowy bottom to the bottom of my cabinet. For the next DIY, I'm using some poster board from the Dollar Tree. And I want to make some like giant candy cane sticks to line the trail of our candy cane forest. So I just cut it into thirds like that. And I'm going to roll them into little candy canes. It was really easy to do. I just put a little hot glue there and glue it until it seals. You can always use paper towel holders for this too if you wanted to paint them white. But I thought the poster board was a little bit easier. And I just went ahead and did the same thing with all 3. I just want like 3 giant sticks of candy cane. For the red stripe, I'm just using some of the red ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I start here at the top and hot glue it on and simply swirl it around. Super easy, a little candy cane. I love like the faux candy and stuff like that because you can decorate with it from year to year. And you don't have to worry about like bugs and things from using some real candy in your decor. I'm going to do the same thing here for the other 2 rolls. And what I want to do, I have the candy cane forest. So we have the snow, we have the trees, we're going to have the candy canes. And then I want to make it look like little gingerbread men are frolicking through the forest. So I thought these would be great pops of color to add to the forest. So I'm going to do one over here. They're so lightweight. They stood up really well on that fluffy microfiber mop head. And one over here. So a total of 3 in our little candy cane forest. For stepping stones, I'm using these little round wood slices that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to line the path here. These are really rustic and cute. And it kind of really, edges out the sides of the road for our little path in our candy cane forest. For the gingerbread men, these are the ones that I found at Target Dollar Spot. They're $3. They do have these again this year. I got the girl and the boy. The great thing about these is they are weighted at the bottom, so they stand up all on their own. Isn't that so cute? And I don't know if they're boy and girl. I guess I'm just assuming that. But there they are. Oh no, one does have a skirt. This is how it turned out, our little gingerbread cabinet. And I'll show you the whole thing as well.